if you're coming up against a bear and you got like drag bars compared to like rolling up against a bear and you got ape hangers, you look real big, flapping your wings and stuff. What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles.com. We have a 2000, oh man, what is this? Let me look. 2009 Harley Davidson Super Glide with big old, what are them, 14-inch, 16-inch, 35-inch apes? Who knows? It's a beautiful bike, Vance & Hines pipes. Let's take it for a spin. Guys, let's start today the way we should, with some words of wisdom. Proverbs 17:17. A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for adversity. A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for adversity. I'm not even sure what that even means. I'm gonna go back and look that up. Ooh-wee! Loving this bike. Guys, so how do you know if your ape hangers are too big? And what's the deal? What's the real deal with ape hangers? Let's get down to it. First of all, part of it is kind of like a peacock type of thing. You know what I mean? Guys just getting, my bike's big, it's ridiculous, it's tough. Makes the bike look bigger. You know, if you're coming up against a bear and you got like drag bars compared to like rolling up against a bear and you got ape hangers, you look real big, flapping your wings and stuff. Is it comfortable? First of all, this is, I don't know how big these are. Let me, maybe 18s. Maybe 18s. And this is not bad. I'm 6'2", although I don't sit very high because I don't have a very big butt. But this is maybe like 2 inches higher than what like is almost perfectly ideal for me. So roll on here nice and slow. Don't pass a school bus. Now one of the hardest, so this isn't that bad. Any higher, now if I had like a big butt, if I had a little more weight on me and that was all in the butt, now sitting up here, that'd be pretty good. The way I like to figure things out is shoulder width. Is it higher than your shoulders? Any higher than your shoulders, and then the higher it is, the higher it is from your shoulders, the more high it is from your shoulders. I know it's not grammatically correct, but I don't know how else to say it. The worse it's gonna be. Your hands are gonna start falling asleep, and I don't know, maybe when it's higher than your heart can't, your weak heart can't pump blood up there. I don't know what's going on with it, but I know is that the higher, if it's too much higher than your shoulders, it starts getting pretty, it's hard to ride. I mean, you could do it for a while. It's cool if you're just like, you know, like crushing parades, but you're dropping your hand down every once in a while. You see a lot of guys riding with apes with one hand because it's not that comfortable. Now if they were down here, this is where they'd be resting their hand at. It's a fun bike. This thing's a good ride. It's got the intake on it. It's got a good sound. It's not too loud, but not too quiet. You know, like a stock Harley, a lot of times you can actually hear the engine opposed to the exhaust, you know, engine moving around. You don't want to hear the engine, you want to hear the exhaust. That's when you know your bike's too quiet. It's got some impalers. You see these? It's to make sure you get stabbed if you wreck the bike. Even though you may have been okay, but if your bike comes and stabs you, something just flew into my eyeball. I think it's like a little gnat. Alright, let's get on it a little bit. Let's just get on it. The bike's got good power. It runs good. We actually, we got this thing in a little while ago. It had bad tires, and we put brand new tires on it. I think it was this bike. They look new. Yeah, we put brand new tires on it, and it's great. It's a good running bike. Check out the walk around video. We do a walk around video for every single one of our bikes. This bike's actually for sale. I'm test driving this bike for the dealership. The worst thing about this I think the only thing about this bike is this little touch-up, little chip in the paint right there, and they touched it up. If I were going to own it, I would just put another Harley Davidson logo right up on there. Nah, I wouldn't do that. I don't know what I'd do. But for me personally, if you're doing a big long trip, I don't know if I want apes like this, but down here would be perfect. That's pretty nice. I do like the wide handlebars. I think wider is better. Not a big fan of like the real narrow ones where you're riding like this. I don't like that. Alright guys, that wraps up the test drive of this super glad. You know, I forget what year it is, but if you're looking at it, you can check it out. Alright guys, remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later. What's up guys, Sean here from Srkcycles, and thanks for watching the video. Click here to subscribe, click here to see more content, and as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going.